2018 F-150, 8,000 miles. Cold start. Been sitting outside for a couple hours, and I think it's like 37 degrees. We're in Pennsylvania in December. Still got the same knock. Honestly, sounds about the same. Some days it's a little louder, some days it's not. Pretty freaking noticeable. At idle though. Go above idle, 1200 RPM, and you don't hear it anymore. Not sure if it goes away or if you just don't hear it anymore. But all the power is still there. She gets up and goes, and she'll fly. Nothing can catch me. Let's listen to that a little more. Alright, gotta unlock it. So, sorry, we had some people walking up on me, but in the business I'm in, people walk up on you and you try to figure out what's going on real quick, and they were just headed to their car, so we're good. Anyways, I managed 19.5 miles per gallon on this trip. I think I reset it a couple of 100 miles ago when I filled up in the rain in the hills of Pennsylvania. We're in, let's see where we're at, 35 degrees. We were in Westchester, Pennsylvania, and I started, I think, somewhere around I know I was somewhere around there, but we came all the way from, let's see, West Virginia. No, we came from Ohio, which there's a mountain range in between there. And then, let's see, we went down through West Virginia, Alabama, Kentucky, Tennessee, all the way down to Dallas, and then we came from there. And then before that it was, let's see here, Colorado, no wait, we don't, Arizona, northern part of Arizona. And then before that we went back down to Texas, right in this area. Around where I live is where we started out, and then we got to get back down there. But I started at about 100 and I think 2,000, and we're now up to 100 and almost 8,000. Pretty steady idle. It comes and goes. Clean your throttle body, guys, like for real. It makes a difference in not only fuel mileage, but I think it fixes a lot of the erratic idle. Although I think I do have a phaser solenoid issue. I told my wife to order some a while back, and they never came in through Rock Auto. They're $16 a piece. You get 2 intake, 2 exhaust, and just swap them all out at once, and apparently it fixes a lot. I run in all different modes depending on, for one, my mood, and for two, if I gotta really get somewhere or get out of somebody's way, or earlier had a guy chasing me down. I literally had to do like 100 for almost an hour through traffic just to get away from him, because he was really pissed off at me that I high beamed him because he was in my way in the fast lane and I needed to go. But that's a different story. We were in Mexico at that point in time. But yeah, a little more info later on. I'll keep y'all updated on how it's going. Right now, as far as oil, I'm running a 040, but I added some same brand 2040 to it to thicken it up, and then she seems to be a little happier there. I was running a 540, actually, designed for diesel synthetic. I think it was a Mobil 1. I really liked it. It was perfect for this engine. She really liked the way it felt on her parts. This oil not so much. So I think I'm gonna go back and look for that Mobil 1. I think it was like a T2, T4 or something like that. About $25 for a gallon. I think I found it for 25, and it's really good. It's slicker than baby snot. It's so slick. You don't have to run any additives or anything like that, and it's good to go. I moved up from, of course, what it called for, 520, and decided to go with the more racy application oil, because I run a lot of miles, and it seemed to last a lot better, stay slicker for a higher amount of miles. I think I ran about almost 10,000 miles out of my last oil, and before that I wasn't feeling comfortable at the feeling of it around 5 or 6. So we moved up on that, and she's doing pretty good on it. I think I can, as long as that knock isn't anything friggin' horrible. I don't know. It seems like she's just loose whenever she's at low idle. So I don't know if maybe the oil pressure goes up enough to center everything in its place and create that nice little film, or what, at a higher idle than it does at regular idles. But luckily I don't idle much. I try to turn it off whenever I can. I'm just moving it around to where I can see out of my complex here where I'm staying at this hotel. I could literally climb out the window to the truck whenever I move, so I think that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. She's nice and warmed up. She sounds good. I always listen whenever I'm at idle. Like, shoot, we go 400 or 500 miles without stopping, so whenever I'm able to come to a stop in a town or something like that, I'll turn the volume down. I got 2 10s in here, and she sounds pretty good, bolted to the floor. Maybe I'll show y'all whenever I'm ready. Let me see, where's my open windows? I literally crawled out the window there. I'm a little crazy sometimes, but this isn't a bad hotel. Let's go with the reverse. Let's actually get in the reverse. I'm gonna go right up to my window. I can see the lines here. Oh, there they are. Yep. All right. As long as I don't freaking run into anything, I think we'll be good. Trust me, I am paying attention. Yeah. Oh, she just dropped a little bit of idle there. Backing up. She does die occasionally, I noticed. I think I need to go ahead and replace some phasers, but she's shuddering a little bit. And these things don't have mass airflow sensors. It's a MAF, and it registers air pressure, not airflow. So I change temperatures and barometers and weather patterns fairly quickly, so 1 minute I'll be 2,000 to 10,000 feet, and the next minute I'll be sea level. So it could be a math issue, and I've been trying to clean it. Sorry, it's cold out here. I've been trying to keep that intake clean, but I might go ahead and switch out the math, and it can be done without taking out the intake. Don't let people fool you. A little bit of patience and it comes out. I had mine out in less than 10 minutes. But yeah, I might replace that, and I've been urging my wife to get those phasers put in, or phaser solenoids, I'm sorry. Actually, she won't be doing it. I'll be doing it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go to bed. I'm tired. Been driving for a while. So y'all have fun and stay safe out there, and good night.